Heroic beasts. Even if they are running, jumping, or flying, insects are still real record breakers. Despite their small size, some of them can move at amazing speeds. Many insects use these skills to hunt, feed, or escape from danger. Incredible journey. Monarch butterflies. When the butterflies fly between the flowers and collect nectar, they look fragile. But some butterflies can fly long distances, travel the length of continents, and even cross oceans. The monarch butterfly of North America holds the distance record. For several generations, they gradually fly the entire territory of America, and in the summer, they go to the northeast and the border of Canada. But the last generation goes back to California and Mexico to spend the winter there. This means that each monarch butterfly sometimes flies about 4,800 kilometers. During the winter, large numbers of monarch butterflies gather in the forests of California and Mexico. They stay in this area for more than 4 months and sleep in dense flocks between their favorite trees before starting their migration north to breed. Jumping champion. Froghopper. At first glance, this brown froghopper might not seem unique, but he is one of nature's high-jumping champions. Compared to its size, this insect can jump higher than any other creature and, in the process, survive forces that could destroy a human. Froghopper owes this feat to a set of particular muscles that store energy like a catapult. When the energy is suddenly released, it throws the insect into the air. The insect accelerates with a force that is 400 times the gravity of the Earth. Two large muscles in Froghopper's body provide power for the legs. These muscles store energy like a compressed spring. When Froghopper senses danger, it locks its back legs into a bent position and simultaneously contracts its muscles to provide their propulsion. Within a second, the muscles suddenly provide enough force to release the leg lock. The spring of the legs is released in less than 1,000th of a second. A sudden thrust throws Froghopper into the air. The acceleration of the animal's movement is more than 80 times the acceleration that astronauts experience when going to space. The female Froghopper lays eggs on plants. When the nymphs hatch, they feed on plant sap like their parents and hide in a nest to protect themselves from hungry birds. Like many insects, this insect also sucks sugary sap from grasses and other plants. Froghopper can walk and fly but instead jumps when in danger. Perfect flight control. Hoverfly. Most insects use 2 pairs of wings, but flies only have 1 pair of active wings. However, many flies are very fast in the air. Hoverflies are the most adept species in flight, which can fly forward, backward, or sideways. Also, this fly can remain floating and fixed above a point. All this is possible with the help of a pair of specialized flight control organs known as barbels. These slimy, nectar-eating hoverflies are well adapted for flight. The fly's wings are tiny, but a very efficient guidance system controls them. This feature enables the insect to go exactly where it wants in just a few seconds without being diverted by the wind current. The wings of this fly are equipped with sensors that detect the fly's deviation from the path and send a message to the wing muscles to correct the path. A function that is very similar to the autopilot of an airplane. Many hoverflies have stripes that resemble wild bees or honeybees. At first glance, bees and hoverflies are almost similar, and this is considered a kind of imitation on the hoverfly's side. Because it causes birds and other predators to hesitate a little before attacking an insect that may have a painful sting, this pause gives the fly enough time to escape.